Alrighty guys, good morning. Well, back out here. I've been working on it for about an hour, and another hose replaced. It makes 5 hoses. This one, and 3 inside. So anyway, it's been a chore. I did get the tank put back in, as you can see. Right now I'm in the process of hooking brackets up, but you have no room, so it's been fun. But it should start going back together pretty quick after I get this mounted in here. Then there's a bracket on the back side of the tank that holds up on the back side of the tank, so I'll have to crawl underneath there and get that one put back on there. But I wanted to get this positioned kind of before I did that, just to kind of see how it needed to lay in there. So anyway, well, what I'll probably do is put you up on a time lapse and kind of see how things go back together, kind of once I get this tank set in here anyway. So I'll check back in with you in a minute. All right, well, the tank is back in. I've got some fuel in it. All the lines are on. There's oil in. No fuel leaks. The only downside is I tried pumping the primer pump and it's hard, so that means there's fuel up, but all the fuel lines are empty, so all the way from the tank all the way up. So I don't know what's going to happen. She may fire up and then go to cutting out, and because these things are kind of cantankerous on that anyway. But let's see what happens. See if hopefully no big booms. See if she starts cutting out here in a minute. Pulls all the fuel out of the filters. We'll see what happens. Go under here and see if we got any leaks. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. That's nothing. Okay. I hope. I sure hope. Try to take and I need to cycle that. Cycle that loader and make sure that we got everything filled up. Back underneath there and check here in a minute to get it. Now I got all the air out of I need to set this bucket straight down, and that way I can judge how much oil I need to put in. Kind of surprises me that thing wasn't cutting out, because all of the come on, this thing acts up every now and then, and the return to dig won't. Huh. Kind of tore this plug one time and had it repaired. Huh. I hate that. Huh. Wonder why that started doing that. Well, we'll shut her off here and we'll let that set just a minute, and we'll see how we're going to be oil level wise once it kind of runs back down, and then we'll start throwing the 10 to it. I don't know what the crap's the deal is with that return to dig acting up again. It was working fine. Hopefully I didn't bump something underneath or something. I'll put some more fuel in my tank. My tank's showing empty, but that gauge is all kinds of messed up, so that connector is not real good, so I'm hoping I got it all connected back together right. So anyway, we'll check back in a minute. All right, guys, I think we're gonna have to call it a success as of right now. So no leaks that I can see. So it's going to be time to start putting the belly pans back up and get all of this metal put back on. So awesome. Well, hope I don't have to do that again anytime soon. Alrighty guys, not much filming. Shoes put back together, no leaks. Dire needed some paint and a power washing, but she's all together, no leaks, which is the name of the game. Until the next one blows, and there's some of them under there that are gonna go eventually, so hopefully it will last a little while. So anyway guys, I don't know how this video is all going to roll out here. I may just throw bits and pieces of this in with some other videos, but anyway, we'll make her work out. Appreciate you guys. I got several videos stored up finally. I'm just getting the opportunity to get them edited and posted. So anyway guys, hang in there. We'll talk to you later.